Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisette and today I will be unboxing Wonder Beauty products that I just received in PR. I will swatch them with you. I will share my insights and basically it's a first impressions. I might have tried one product from them already, but I'm still gonna show it to you guys. So here's the box, so let's get right into it. Alright, so I received two of the Double Date eyeshadow duos. The first one is called Swoon and Smitten. Wow, okay, I have seen them before. Look at the packaging. It's really pretty. So on here you get this shimmer. You get this shimmer shade. At the bottom you have like this cream shadow. So you're getting a shimmer and a cream shadow. This is super cute. Then next I have the Double Date eyeshadow duo in the shade Wink and Bay. So, oh, how cute is that? Look at that shade right there. That's Wink. And then this cream shadow, it's called Bay. Wow, it is super creamy. It's so smooth and it blends so nice. Okay, so now let's go with the shimmer shade on top of it. I will use a clean finger now and apply this shade on top of on the center of my eyelid. Oh. Wow, you guys see that? Look at that shimmer. Oh, stunning, obsessed. Okay, wow, let's move on to this side. Also, you guys saw me holding this mirror, but in reality I don't need one because it actually comes with a little mirror here, so I will be using that. So now I'm going to go and use Wink with a clean finger. Ah, she's beautiful. Let me do a swatch there. Look at that. Wow. Wink, wink. Okay, I'm going to apply Wink on the center of my eyelid. Oh my gosh. Look at that color, you guys. I legit thought that Wink was a white or clear shadow, but it isn't. This is like an iridescent shade. Oh, stunning. I'm gonna apply it at the bottom here. Oh my god. Because why not? Because we can. We'll apply Smitten also my bottom lash line with my finger. I feel like I guess I should have used I'm gonna use a brush. 1 second. I will apply Smitten, which is the shimmery shade here on my inner corner, and I'm gonna drag it out a little bit to my lower lash line. Okay, how are we looking? Now I'm going in with this beautiful iridescent shade. Okay, let's apply this on my inner corner. Okay, look at that, guys. Inner corner, and drag it to my lower lash line a little bit there. Wow. Guys, I'm obsessed with this shade right here, Wink. I'm so obsessed with it. You know what? Because it's makeup, I'm gonna drag it all the way to my right there. I'm gonna connect it to my we're having a sparkling crease moment. Wow, look at that. It's like glitter and iridescent kind of shade. I love it. So I forgot to do a little swatch of the shade Smitten, which is this one here. Let's do that. Stunning. Look at that swatch. Smitten, and there's Wink right there. For the two Double Date duo eyeshadows, from Wonder Beauty. Next in the box, I got 2 of the Double Date Lip and Cheek, and let me show you my reaction to when I saw this shade. Oh, yeah! This one's called Be Mine. Ooh, ooh. And this one is called Sweet Talker. Yes. You know what I'm gonna do? I think I'm gonna mix the two. So using my fingers, so these are multitaskers. She's so creamy. I have tried the other shade called Rendezvous. So pretty. I'm using the mirror that this comes with. There's also a balm there that you can use for your eyebrows, a little highlighter moment on the highest points of your cheeks, all of that good stuff. On this side, I started applying Be Mine. Now these are super pigmented, so a little bit goes a long way. And now these are multitasking tinted and clear balm for hydrated lips and cheeks, and they blend seamlessly to give you that beautiful natural look. And this shade here is called Sweet Talker, and I just applied it all over my nose bridge to give me that sun-kissed look. The item in the box I received is the Lip Retreat. Now I have tried this in the past, and oh, it's a new packaging. So see, first impressions. So the Lip Retreat I have tried before has a different packaging. Let me show it to you guys. It's this one right here. It's this one right here. And so the new version is this one. It's the same shade, just different packaging. And you guys will see how beautiful this looks on the lips. Ay, ay, ay. I love this shade. I feel like this is a perfect nude for any occasion, any season, you name it. And I actually do love the new packaging. It's quite pretty. And there you have it. Thank you so much, Wonder Beauty, for this beautiful box of goodies that you sent my way. I'm really enjoying all of these products. I get to try more Wonder Beauty products soon. Now let me know in the comment section if you have tried Wonder Beauty. What is one of your favorite products? Let me know in the comment section down below, and I will see you on my next video, amiga. Take care. Bye.